Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. It's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI SE95 PS. Now the orange car's a real standout and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, front and rear parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist, hill hold control, an anti-lock braking system, and these 15-inch Sassari alloy wheels. Now the boot are good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has a colour touchscreen, a multimedia interface and 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop in to Western Volkswagen Newbridge.